Okay, guys, so I'm looking at the news right now, and it looks like Logan Paul. If you don't know what's going on with Logan Paul, you've been living under a rock for the past week and a half. Basically, bottom line, Logan Paul does some crazy stuff, and he went into like a suicide forest, filmed a dead body, showed it on YouTube, and thought it was something you should show on YouTube. So, YouTube didn't even take it down. YouTube didn't do anything. They always seem to try to protect, as long as they can, the big YouTubers that make the deep money, because YouTube makes the money too. So the punishment has come down now. The outrage was beyond. Logan Paul's apologized. Logan Paul has sincere apology, by the way. Logan Paul has took the video down himself. YouTube didn't even take the video down. Logan Paul did. So he's been punished. He's been removed from the top tier YouTube ad platform. I didn't even know there was one. I'm not even close to that. So I didn't know it existed. And that means that when advertisers, big money advertisers come in and they got big bucks to spend, the waffles are being made back there. I apologize. And they got money to spend. They go to the top tier YouTubers. I didn't know about this till today. I didn't even know this existed. So it's nice to know that I could shoot for something else. So YouTube has removed him from the top tier, and has also removed him from the YouTube original series. Is it Foursome? Yeah. And all of his original programming that he's going to be doing for YouTube Red has been put on hold or shut down or whatever. I don't know what they're doing. But the gavel came down today. So I don't know if I would have done all that. I would have taken back the money he earned from promoting a dead body. I would have done that, but I don't think I would have done all this. But I've watched his videos. Not a fan. He does some really immature things, disrespectful things, and I'm just not about that. So anyway, sorry, my notifications are popping up. So bottom line is, thank you, YouTube, for doing something, because you kept tap dancing. Oh well, it broke our community guidelines and all this other stuff. Now, do me a favor, okay? Is it Reckless Eating? I think it is. My buddy Reckless Eating has been. I mean, there are a lot of guys not making money right now because they got flagged for stupid stuff, and you shut them down. And I got friends that on Twitter that keep writing that they're not making any money. Where's my boy? Where is he? He writes every day, hey, YouTube, you were 23 days, Reckless Eating, at Reckless Eating on Twitter. He's on day 24 of AdSense, sitting in review while we make zero income. He's made no money this month because of one of his eating videos. He does freak eating. You guys know what that is. But, so there's like the little guys get stepped on like right away, and they just get put out of business because they're not making a dime, and the big boys carry on and on and on. So YouTube, thank you for doing the right thing. Seems awfully a big spanking, so it's your call, it's your company. But I just want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. I want to thank Philip Defranco for breaking the news to me. That's how I heard about it. And if you haven't watched Philip Defranco, he's very informative. And that's about it, guys. So I just wanted to give you my input about the situation. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.